It's only 1 week left in the announcement of the Samsung Galaxy S9 and the rumor mill hasn't stopped till yet. The S9 have been rendered again. Here are the new colors which are available now: midnight black, titanium grey, coral blue and the lilac purple. It will definitely have an infinite display, a rear fingerprint sensor, a headphone jack and stereo speakers. The S9 will have single rear camera while the S9 Plus will have a vertical 12 megapixel dual camera setup. It will have a more camera improvements including the higher aperture, that is 1.5, 8 megapixel front facing camera. The phone will feature improved iris and face recognition together known as intelligent scan. The S9 will have 5.9-inch Super AMOLED display with Quad HD Plus resolution and 18.5:9 aspect ratio. S9 Plus will feature a 6.2-inch screen and similar resolution and aspect ratio as S9. S9 will also feature a 4 GB of RAM while S9 Plus will come with 6 GB of RAM having 64 GB of base model. On top of that, there will be a 3000 mAh battery in S9 and 3500 mAh of juice in S9 Plus with wireless and fast charging capabilities. Samsung would also unveil a new social networking with the Galaxy S9. Hope you liked the video. If you do, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more upcoming videos. That's all for today. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out. Subscribe to our channel for latest tech videos and hit the bell icon to get notifications first.